Shenzhen Hengchuang Display is one of China's leading POP display stand and packaging box production manufactory. It has an area of 40,000 square feet. With 7 years' experience, Hengchuang is committed to provide customers with professional services and marketing solutions. Product categories include display stand, pallet display, PDQ, cardboard box, and more. Material including cardboard, acrylic, and PVC to meet the different needs of customers. Our professional design team has 12 experienced designers and technical staffs. The design team will give professional advice including dimensions, weight bearing, color printing, packaging, etc. Quickly provide designs, solutions, and samples. We have a professional production team of 72 workers, has many advanced equipments, established a strict quality management system in accordance with ISO 9001 to provide customers with high-quality products. Display stand products are suitable for supermarkets, convenience stores, and specialty stores. Customer groups include electronics, commodity, apparel, tools, toys, and gifts. It has established long-term and stable cooperation with many advertising design companies, global brand distributors, and oversee local new brand customers. In past years, Hengchuang has continuously increased its investment in design teams, equipment, and marketing. Now the production capacity has increased by 320%, and the in-time delivery rate has reached 99%, which has greatly satisfied the customer's project requirements and formed a good market reputation. In the next 10 years, Hengchuang will continue to focus on the display product industry with professional design solutions, high-quality products, and competitive prices. We look forward to long-term stable cooperation with your company.